In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two Discord accounts in one mobile 2025 quick and easy. If you've ever wanted to keep your personal and work communities separate, or you just need two Discord accounts on the same phone without constantly logging in and out, this guide will show you the simplest built-in method on Android. We'll use your phone's native cloning feature, which manufacturers label differently, but it works the same way. Start by opening your device's settings. This is where the magic happens. Because different brands name the feature differently, look for a section called Dual Apps, App Twin, or App Clone. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of settings and type any of those names. On most Android phones, this feature lives under Apps, Advanced Features, or Utilities. Once you've found the Dual Apps or App Clone screen, you'll see a list of apps that can be duplicated. Find Discord in that list and turn it on. Your phone will create a separate copy of the Discord app. You'll know it worked when you see a second Discord icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, often with a small badge to tell it apart from the original. Now open the cloned Discord icon. This copy is completely independent from your original Discord, so you can log in with your second account here. Enter your credentials and complete any verification you're asked for. From this point on, both Discord apps run side by side, each signed into a different account. One of the best parts of this setup is separate notifications. Because the cloned app is treated like a different app, notifications are kept apart, making it easier to know which account needs your attention. If you want, you can adjust notification sounds or channels for each copy in your phone's notification settings so you can tell them apart at a glance. A quick note. This method is for Android devices. iPhones don't support app cloning for Discord, so this guide applies to Android only. Also, the exact menu names can vary across brands, but the steps remain the same. Go to Settings, open Dual Apps or App Clone, enable Discord, then log in with your second account. To keep things organized, consider placing the two Discord icons on different screens or renaming folders so you always open the right one. And that's it. Quick, clean, and built-in. Enjoy running two Discord accounts on one mobile without the hassle of switching back and forth.